Welcome to EWISE System, the platform that helps logistics companies fully control import-export data for their export manufacturing, processing, and export processing factory clients. With the Audit-CO module, logistics companies easily import and control the import and export declaration data of each manufacturing client in just a few steps. The system automatically creates an audit session, then checks and instantly flags pending declarations and HS code mismatches, spotting risks before issuing the CO. The entire certificate of origin document set is exported instantly, quickly, and accurately. And it automatically files the CO form onto the EcoSys system, processing certificates of origin for many clients at once, saving time and reducing errors. The settlement report module monitors every change in HS codes and units of measure. Click any item and the full detailed report appears instantly for reconciliation. It automatically reconciles imported material figures across periods, keeping inventory under control and making variances clear and transparent. At finalization time, just one click on the Calculate button and the system automatically aggregates all material settlement figures. And it instantly exports the two forms under Circular 121, Form 15 for export manufacturing, and Form 15 GC for processing. The PCA module delivers an overview dashboard, letting service companies grasp a client's entire tax risk picture on a single screen, staying ahead of post-clearance audits. The system analyzes material variances and estimates the back tax in detail, supporting advisory work ahead of the post-clearance review. And every analysis is exported as a professional, complete review report, ready to hand over to your client. The platform connects directly to Customs. Pick a Customs office, for example 01B1, to check a declaration status in an instant. The AI assistant also automatically reviews every HS code, detecting and instantly flagging lines at risk of misdeclaration. Instantly look up the specific rules of origin for each product, across every trade agreement. And the AI assistant analyzes your post-clearance data, answering questions instantly and giving timely advice and warnings. EWISE System, fully digitalizing import-export data control for manufacturing, processing and export processing factories. Empowering logistics service providers to reach further. Discover us at ewise.com.vn.